Right, I hope everyone's doing alright. It's a bit of a weird video I just wanted to do. Well, one thing I was going to say was happy birthday to Mike. It's mine and Mike's birthday today. Anyway, I'll show you some presents. But there was a weird thing I wanted to say. I don't know why I'm doing it on a video. It's slightly weird. But I had a weird thing after Bella was put to sleep. It was a slightly weird story, but ever since Dad's died, which was about a year ago, I think I've been slightly depressed or something. I've just not been doing anything, hardly anything at all. And I hadn't cried at all. I cried a little bit at the funeral, but I tried to fight it and stop myself, and I did. Well, I hadn't cried at all, and it was weird. It was kind of affecting me, I think, because it was just kind of building all up. Anyway, so it's really weird. I kind of want to say thank you to Bella. It's strange because it was to do with Bella. When we put her down, I'm not going to lie, I've never cried so hard in my life ever, or not as an adult anyway. I cried terribly. And I think the weird thing was, I think I was crying for Bella, but at the same time I was also crying for Dad. But strangely, I now feel like a bit of a weight has been lifted off my shoulders. And I feel slightly better now. Mirinda always kept saying that I should cry and it'll make me feel better. And so did my sister Rachel. But I just couldn't do it. I just couldn't do it. I didn't want to. It just feels horrible crying, so I didn't want to do it. But I couldn't control it when we put Bella to sleep. And it was awful. I'll be honest though, it was the most peaceful passing of, an animal, a friend that you could ever have got. It's so peaceful, you can't deny that, and there's no pain, they just go like they're going to sleep. So in a couple of weeks we should be getting a little box with her ashes in it. Anyway, it's kind of, I just wanted to say that, I just wanted to almost just say thank you to Bella for making me cry in a way. It's weird, but yeah, she was a really good dog, really lovely dog. Anyway, before I get upset or anything, I'll show you some of the presents I got, just briefly, because we may be interrupted at any minute. I'll just really quickly show you some presents. So, I've got a torch off of Mike. Oh, actually, before I carry on, the other thing I wanted to say is thank you for all the people who said kind words to me in the other video. I really do appreciate it. It means a lot to know that people care. It is nice. So I really do appreciate everyone who sent their condolences or said nice things about, Bella and that. So, got a torch off of Mike. He also gave me that, which he made himself. I love the white handle on this. I think knives with white handles look cool. So give me that. I got him a couple of knives. I think that's what Mike got me. Ryan got me, I wanted one of these for ages, a non-lock-in little knife. Should be UK legal. He also got me a couple of books on like coin collecting and stuff like that. Because I've done a bit of that, and I do a bit of that, coin collecting. And then Mirinda got me some really interesting things. Well, one really interesting thing. I specifically asked for this because I wanted one of these. Swiss Army knife with one blade. This little knife. And the weird thing she got me was a bow drill kit. So that would be interesting. I'll give that a go and I'll do it on video. Yeah, bow drill kit. It's like, it's a bit different, but... Right, anyway. Weird, I wanted to get it off my chest just to tell you that. And almost in a way of just saying thank you to Bella. She hadn't made me cry like that. I don't know what I'd have done. I just think I'd have just carried on, just getting worse and worse and worse. I was literally doing nothing. I was going to work, struggling at work, just coming home and do nothing. I'd just sit in this chair, look at my phone, watch stupid crap videos. I wouldn't even have a telly or the radio on or nothing. Just sit there till Miranda got home and then argue with her about some crap. Weird. But really, I'm sure that has took a weight off my shoulders. While we're here, I'll just give you... One thing I was worried about was Sky. But she seems like she's not too bad. Sky? You alright? Come here. Sky. Come here. Ah, she's off. Right, well, anyway. Yeah, I think she's just having a drink of water. Yeah, she seemed a little bit bad at first, but she seems like she's coming around. I think dogs kind of know your emotions as well. I think she knew that we was upset, so she was kind of being upset as well. And she's never ever not had another dog with her. Come here. She's never not had another dog with her. She's always let's go, had another dog, so she might be a little bit lonely now. I was going to let her sleep upstairs with me, but the vet said don't change their routine too much. You're going to keep them, you know, the same as it was. But she seems a bit better now. We did let her see Bella. I didn't know what the best idea was, but once Bella had passed away, I thought it might be well, I don't know whether it was a good idea or not, but I didn't want Sky to just think Bella had just gone and disappeared, you know, just went out the house one day and just never come back. So we let her see her after she'd passed away. I don't know whether that was a good idea or not, but she saw her and she kind of sniffed her, but then we took her back outside and put her back in the car, because it was just, I don't know, the whole situation was a little bit weird, obviously, do you know what I mean, but she seems a bit better now. I think it's better if the dog does know that the other one has gone, if you know what I mean. I think, I don't know, I'm no expert. Anyway, me and Mike's birthday, so you better say happy birthday to Mike. Right, cheers for watching. I'll see you later, and hopefully I'm going to get cracking on with videos now. You know, and I'll feel a bit more relieved. Right, thanks for all the kind words, and I'll see you later.